everybody, Scott and Chad with the Knowles Woolsey team at RE/MAX. Guys, we're super excited about our newest listing in the Pringle Park subdivision, 73 Knupp Road. Unbelievable family home here. Speaking of family, Chad, you raise yours in this subdivision. Tell us what's so good about it.
Absolutely great people, specifically on this street. You're about 7 minutes away from Snow Valley Ski Resort. Golf courses, about 2 minutes from the highway and 30 seconds from the park. Come take a closer look. If you're tired of your standard cookie cutter home, this property is for you. 2,500 square feet. This main floor has a living room, dining room, huge open concept kitchen, and my favorite part, you can actually see your kids playing at the park.
Easily my favorite part of this home is the second floor living room up here. It feels like a loft. The ceiling heights are massive. You're surrounded by windows. Easily makes a fourth bedroom if you need it. Living room area, play area for the kids. You're gonna love this. When it comes to man caves, I can't think of a better space. You're totally secluded from upstairs. Huge ceiling heights again, pot lights, even an awesome spot for that big screen TV.
And if you're looking for an in-law suite, perfect entrance off the garage, great little family room. All you gotta do is add a bedroom, washroom, and a kitchen. All right, Scotty, let's talk about the best part.
Guys, such a rarity in the city of Barrie. We have no neighbors in behind here, just a bunch of trees that add privacy, plus a total party-sized deck if you're into that sort of thing.
Let's not forget about the park. We're gonna show you exactly how quick it is to walk to the park. And just like that, guys, we're at the park. I can smell the barbecue from here.
And if they don't get the hint to come home from dinner that way, you just yell off the back deck. How easy is that?
For more information on this listing and many more,
check out our website.